Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Huria. In this video, I will show you how to design your logo using different sites. The logo will be used for your product, for your brand. In order for you to register your brand on Amazon brand registry, you'd require a logo. Also, Amazon became very strict with logo being stuck on the product or the packaging. Sometimes they ask for both. So to design a logo, there's one option is Fiverr.com. The second option is Upwork. But if we explore Fiverr, just type logo, you'll see all these examples of freelancers. You can sort by relevance or best-selling, and then you explore each designer, have a look at their profile. If you like their designs, then you can choose one of them. So if you click on that one, and you can see different packages: basic, standard, and premium. 3 concept: logo, transparency, printable file. Vector file is very important. You will need vector file. I'll explain later in the video why you need it. In his standard package, you can get a vector file, which is very important. The 3D mockup or the source file, not very important, or the social media kit. But the vector file is very important. So basic won't be enough for this one. And then you can check his designs. His designs like just different handwriting styles. So that's his style of design. If you would require a picture, maybe this design won't be suitable for you. You can explore another freelancer. All you would do is just continue with the package and start the process. You would tell them your requirement. I wouldn't say exactly what you want. Just say, like, for example, I want a brand. I wanted the logo for a brand in the golf niche, for example, and just the colors that you like, and don't limit their imagination. This is vector file. Okay, somebody was explaining this in YouTube. I found it very useful. It shows you what's the difference between a vector file and a different file. You see, you can expand that picture and no quality is lost. It's not pixelated. On the other hand, if it's not a vector file, look at that. You can't really expand it. If it's increased in size, it became not very clear and pixelated. You can see that example with that freelancer as well. The lion with the vector file and raster to vector. If you go to the another option, which is Upwork. Upwork is different. So you would have to post a job and people will apply for your job. So if we go to job and then just go through that. So it's a short term. It's a small job, short term. If you want a longer term, you can say that. The short term or part-time work, less than 30 hours a week. You continue. Logo designer or logo design, and then you can go next. You can choose other options, what experience you wanted as a graphic designer. Next is the scope of work. It's a small job, 3 to 6 months. Entry or intermediate. Obviously, the prices will increase with the experience. So I'd go in the middle, intermediate. Is it a contract? Is it not contract? And then it's just you put your budget for the project. Can I use hourly rate or a fixed rate? So if you say, I'm going to pay $50 for that job as a fixed rate, or if you put it in hourly, it would put basically the estimate for an intermediate freelancer. You can't change the prices. And then review job post. And just type something really simple. I'm looking for a designer to design a logo for me in the golf niche, for example. As I said, we don't limit their imagination. Just leave them to their creativity. Please reply with your fixed rates. If you basically put it as hourly, because you wanted how much they would take for the job. And if you can finish the job in 3 days, let's say if you want to urgently in 3 days or 2 days, you can write that, and that's it. And you post your job, and people will reply to you or apply for the job, and then you choose between all the candidates that will apply for your job. You can check their profiles and choose your appropriate freelancer. This is how we will design a logo for Amazon product. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe for more content.